చేయలేదన్నా.
And Raj garu, do you prepare any queries, any questions?
లక్ష్మణ్ మొన్న చెప్పింది ఒకసారి చెప్పవా? టాప్ 5 అదే టాప్ ఎన్ ఉంది కదా, ప్రొడక్ట్ ఐడి టాప్ ఎన్ అండ్ బాటమ్ ఎన్ కొద్దిగా ఫాస్ట్ గా ఒకసారి చెప్పేస్తే.
చెప్తాను. Quantity. Okay, this is the question. And the top and bottom 10, top 10 R N. Okay, bottom 10 R N. Okay, this is the questions today we will discuss. Yeah, now first we are going to what is the count and the quantity, then we are going to top 10 bottom customer. Okay, see what is the count and the quantity. Generally what is the count? Okay, what is the count generally? Okay, what is the count? Count means anything. What is the count generally? So count means, suppose we are, for example, this is the 1 2 3. Keep your mobile mute. Okay, then okay. Now 4 5 6. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Then we have to, what is the meaning by count? Count means it will display the, you can count the all the values, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. The count value is 6, right? Next, so here the, so we are writing count means how many numbers of your dimension. Okay, your dimensions. Okay, now here again I'm going to how to count D, right? Next, count D. So what is the count D? Okay, then again we are going to count D. Count D means how many unique values. Okay, unique values. Say we are going to here, suppose here I'm going to 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 okay, 6 7. Okay, now in this we have to find the count. Okay, now count how many count here. Okay, count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is the count, right? Now how many count? So what is the count D? Okay, so count D, you can count the how many unique values. So this is the unique value, this is the unique value. Okay, this is the unique value, this is the unique value, this is the unique value, right? Right, now we have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6. The unique value are 6. So this is the answer, right? Based on that, you have to prepare the one sheet. Then you can go into the top 10 bottom 10. Okay, clear this one. Now I'm going to here. Now, for example, here I'm going to Tableau. Open Tableau 2023.1. కౌంట్ క్వాంటిటీ అనేది ఎస్టర్డే నేను టుడే నైట్ లేట్ నైట్ లో నేను దాని గురించి వర్క్ చేశాను అనమాట. సో అందువల్ల మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటారని దాని గురించి మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలనుకున్నాను అనమాట. సో నేను కౌంట్ పెట్టేసి క్లయింట్కి పంపించేశాను. క్లయింట్ ఏం చేశాడు, లక్ష్మణ్ కౌంట్ కాదు క్వాంటిటీ, కౌంట్ ఐ వాంట్ క్వాంటిటీ అన్నాడు. అంటే సో ఎక్కడ మనం కౌంట్ పెట్టాలో ఎక్కడ క్వాంటిటీ పెట్టాలో తెలియదు, మనకి అర్థం కాదు. సో ఏంటంటే మనం జాగ్రత్తగా కౌంట్ క్వాంటిటీ అని చెక్ చేసుకుంటాం. Suppose you are going to subcategory. Okay, subcategory. Now I'm taking sales here. Okay, sales. Here I'm going to apply how many count. Okay, I'm going to designing the other text here, whatever it is, you can put like that. So this is the count here. So count. This is the count, right? Number of, how many numbers? Okay, 17 counts are there, right? So based on this, now I'm writing small query here. Okay, create calculator field. Okay, now just this is the count. Now count, for example, count, I'm taking the expression here. So our expression is subcategory. I'm taking subcategory here. Okay, so calculation valid, right? Okay, apply. Okay, then count drag and drop into the subcategory. Right click here, go to display. Now it will display the, again it will display values. Okay, remove this one. Okay, sales, this one. Now I want to display the count here. Okay, count drag and drop in the text here. So again I'm going to so count the values. Okay, count the values, no worries. Okay, now I'm going here. So here it will display the count 775 as a display. Appliance are like this. But here count means I'm saying individual it will count that one. Suppose here the category, subcategory, okay. Next customer name, okay. So names, see the values are changing. Because why? Because so it will count the values, okay. Bookcase child 1 1. Office supply art like that, like that it will count the value 1 1 1 1. See the values are changing. Again we are taking the region here. Okay, the values are here 3 increase the values. Okay, suppose I am going to your segment here. Now it will change the values. Okay, 2 2 2 2 3 3 3. So like that the values are going to. Okay, now clear this one. For example, now we are creating one. This is most important. Okay, when you go into the entry point or interviews కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా అడుగుతారు అన్నమాట. What is the difference between count and quantity? Okay, I am going to quantity count. Okay, now create something. Okay, I'm going to apply the product. Okay, comma mobile. So already these are available in our notes. No worries. Okay, now I'm going to something comma tab. Okay, here product. Just you can apply the 20 20 20 30 40. So like that. Okay, comma, right? And then again mobile something, you have to give the something values. Okay, 50 100 200 300. So the values are given like this. No worries. For the understanding purpose, I am writing some little. Okay, you can take any values. No worries. Okay, now comma. Okay, here tab 20 tabs, 50 tabs, 70 tabs, 80 tabs, 90 tabs, 100. Okay, now save this way. On this notepad we have seen the values. Okay, okay, now I'm taking the tableau. Here I'm going to text file. Desktop count to quantity. Okay, now directly I'm going to show. Here I'm taking the count. Okay, now this is the mobile here, drag and drop here. Okay, now I'm going to here discrete value. Okay, 460. Okay, again product drag and drop here. Now right click here. Now keep the discrete 50. So again tab here, you can drag and drop here. Okay, discrete. This is the values. Okay, for example, I'm going to write the count. Okay, count. So this is the function. Okay, count. The next person is mobile. Okay, apply. Okay, drag and drop. This is the drag and drop. Okay, now right click here, display. So 6. The count is 6. Okay, so mobile. Now I'm going here, keep dimension values, and I'm going to display value. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right, likewise it will display count 1 having 4, 2 having, like this it will display the values. So suppose why we are going to, suppose I'm going to here count D, okay, COUNTD. This is the calculation, you can write the query, okay, count D. Okay, now I'm going to tab here, I'm going to apply tab here, apply, okay, now I'm going to another sheet, drag and drop here, now right click here, keep the discrete value, it will display the count. So based on that, you can apply the count and quantity. Okay. So count means how many values are present. Okay. Count means how many values are present. How many number of dimension fields. Okay. Dimension fields suppose ఇక్కడ 1 field తీసుకున్నాను అనుకో, ఇందులో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో చెప్పాలన్నమాట. ఓకే. అలాగే now quantity means ఓకే, యూనిక్ వాల్యూస్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాం. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కౌంట్ అండ్ quantity. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నేను ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఇది పెట్టాను, కౌంట్ పెట్టేసి మాకు ఇచ్చిన డేటా ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే కౌంట్ అని రాసి మాకు ఒకటే ఇచ్చాడు. ఎలా ఇచ్చాడంటే సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ రిమూవ్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, శాంపుల్ డేటాలోకి వెళ్ళి కేటగిరీ ఉంది అనుకోండి. సో నేను ఏం చేశాను, క్రియేట్ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఫీల్డ్ కౌంట్. again I'm going to okay count and category. So this is the నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఆన్సర్ ఇది పెట్టేసి మనం అలా అప్లై చేసి డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ పెట్టి వస్తాయి. దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ గో టు కెన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇన్ డిస్క్రిట్ వాల్యూ. సో ఎంత కౌంట్ వచ్చింది చెప్పేసాం. బట్ అతను ఏమన్నాడంటే మన మేనేజర్ అంటాడు కౌంట్ కాదు క్వాంటిటీ అప్లై చేయబాబు అని చెప్తారు. అండ్ అగైన్ మనం క్వాంటిటీ అని పెట్టి, సో మనం ఇది ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనకే అర్థం కాదు. బై మిస్టేక్ మాన్యువల్ ఫ్లోలో చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతుంటాం ఒక వర్క్ అనమాట. అప్పుడు మనకి మళ్ళీ అగైన్ మేనేజర్ మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేస్తారు. సో కొంచెం అవి చెక్ చేయాలి, మన కౌంటిటీ అప్లై చేయమంటాడు. చూడండి, సో కౌంట్ అయితే ఇన్ని ఉన్నాయి, కౌంటిటీకి వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఇన్ని ఉన్నాయి, అంటే యూనిక్ వాల్యూస్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, 3 ఉన్నాయి అనమాట. సో అలాగే మనం చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ద కౌంట్ అండ్ కౌంటిటీ. ఓకే, now we are going to second questions. What is the second question? Second question is most important. Second question is most 100% entry questions. Okay, okay, count and quantity. Okay, count means how many numbers of the values, how many numbers of values. Okay, and quantity, how many unique values in the field. So in the field. Okay, now top 10, bottom, and customer in the sheet. Top 10, bottom 10 customers. Okay, this is the question. 100% entry questions. ఇది లేకుండా కూడా ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఉండదు. ఓకే, అంత పాపులర్ క్వశ్చన్ అనమాట. ఓకే, now I'm going to so this is the now I'm going to this is the customer wise. So customer wise, okay, sales. You remove this one, count or quantity, remove this one. Okay, now customer wise sales. Okay, I can apply here also. So here also you can apply. Okay, now I'm going to this okay, so now these are the values. Okay, now I'm going to apply the test values. Okay, so based on this I want display top 10 here. Okay, now customer name, right click here. Okay, customer name, right click here. Now I'm going to say show filter. So in the show filter it will display the immediately quick filter. Okay, now close this one, no need to have on this one. Okay, okay, now close this one. Okay, right click on here. Now going to, okay, this is the customer. Now I'm going to edit filter. Okay, edit filter. So in this edit filter I'm going to apply the top here. So this is the top. Already default top 10 and ఉంటుంది. You can change top 10 or top 15. Okay, this is one method I'm saying. Okay, apply. Okay, now it will display the top 15. Okay, Yes, this is the values here. You can count it. This is the below the 15 marks available. Okay, these are the top 15. Still, you are not getting this point. You can write the query is indexer. Okay, again, you have to write indexer. So, index mean it will give the unique values, right? Index tester. Row wise number, it will display the row wise number, right? Apply, okay. Now drag and drop into the index into the row cell and right click here. Now I'm going to discrete value. So it will display the 15, right? Row number, it will display the row number. Okay. So like again, now I'm going to your sheet. Again, customer name, okay, and the sales drag and drop into the column cell and keep descending order. Now I'm going to here, so market. Again, right click here in customer name, so filter, right click here. Now I'm going to edit filter. Now I'm going to usual, I'm going to top, I'm selecting bottom 15. Okay, apply, okay. It will display the bottom two. See, it will display the, these are the top 15. It will display the bottom 15. Now I'm going to same as index drag and drop into by understanding purpose. Index drag and drop here. Now right click here. Keep the discrete. Okay, this is the bottom 15 and okay, bottom 15 and top 15. Now within single sheet you can apply the both the top and bottom. That is the issues. That is the our problem. Okay, now I'm going to here. Simply I'm going to here. So right click on customer name. Okay, right click on customer. So individually I'm creating top 10 or bottom 10. Okay, now I'm going to within the sheet I wanted to display the top 10, bottom 10, right? Okay. Now I'm going to right click on customer name. Now this method I can apply the create set here. Okay, create. Just click the set. Okay, it will display the all values. What are the customer names available in the list? It will display the all values. Just click the show filter. So all, sorry, use all. Select in top 10 set or n number of. Okay, now I'm going to select top by field. Okay, this is the top 10. Okay, so before going to have to drag and drop this field into the column cell row cell. Okay, now create this one. Customer name, sales. Okay, December. And I'm going to, okay, this is the values. Okay, right click here. Now I'm going to create set. Okay, now in the set I'm selecting user. Now I'm going to top. Okay, by field. Here I'm going to apply the top 10, right? This is the top 10. Okay, now here typing name is top 10. Top 10 set. Okay, so apply. Okay, so set will be created. One separate field, we created one separated field, right? Again, right click here. Now I'm going to create set. Okay, now bottom 10 are set. I mean, sorry, or n number of user. Now I'm going to top. Here I'm going to select bottom. Okay, bottom 10. Apply. Okay. So one again here I'm going to create the top 10 sector. Okay, okay. Now this is the bottom, this is the top. Okay. Now just you have to combine these two. Okay, right click here. Now combine set only. Okay, combine set. You have to create combine set. It will be creating another set anamata. So ఈ రెండు కలిపి ఒకటితో చేస్తున్నాం మనం. Okay, create set. So the set name is combined. Okay, combined. And combined sets. Top and the bottom. Okay, simple. So no need to change anything. So if you want check it, these are the, see, basically you can understand this is the joints anamata. Ekkada join jarugutundi. This joints belongs to what is this? Full outer joint. This is second was inner joint, and third one is left joint, and fourth one is right joint. Based on this you can identify. So if you want to select this one, if you want to select this one, if you want this one, select this. Based on this it will be set the values. Okay, and real time you are not applying anything, but you have to try these three, but I am not try this one. So basically you are using only this one, all members in the both set. Okay, apply. Okay, again it will create the one set. This is set, right? Then this set drag and drop into filter. Okay, this set drag and drop into filter. So now it will display the like this. Got it? Yeah. So now just drag and drop into the index into the here. Index drag and drop into the here. Now I'm going to this screen. See, the values are like, okay, the values are 1 to 20, right? 1 to 20. Got it? 1 to 20. This is one type of method, right? Right. Now, if you want to change the color, just drag and drop in the color. So it will display the color. Okay. Now, if you want to reduce the size, you can reduce the size. Based on this, we can create the top 10, bottom 10 customer into the single sheet. Okay. Krishnadas, did you understand?
Understood.
Yeah, okay, good. So another method, I will tell you, because we are writing the query also, but in the query I'm not prepared well. Basically, at the time of interview times, I'm prepared the different methods. Okay, queries kuda మనం రాయొచ్చు అన్నమాట. Okay, query రాసుకుని అక్కడ if function యూజ్ చేసి మనం greater than 10, bottom 10 customers something queries ఉంటాయి. Index యూజ్ చేసి rank function యూజ్ చేసి queries ఉంటాయి. So ఆ queries కూడా చేయొచ్చు. But simply you can write this one enough. ఇది సరిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. Okay. Now here I'm going to top 10. This is the top, right? Okay, top 10, and this is the bottom 10. Okay, bottom 10. Here now I'm going to parameter, right? This is the parameter method. Okay, so now our query is so how to apply the parameter. Apply the parameter. Okay, parameter to top n, bottom n. Okay, this is the query. Okay, now I'm going to here. Okay, now already I created the top 10, bottom 10. Now I'm applying the parameter here. Okay, now just I am applying the parameter here. So now I'm going to top 10. So just I am creating the parameter. So create parameter. Okay, so create parameter. The parameter name is you can write customer wise sales. Okay, top n. Okay, top n. Now I'm going to apply the integer values. Okay, apply. See, ఇక్కడ కూడా చేయొచ్చు, అలాగే వేరే విధంగా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. Okay, now cancel this one. Okay, now I'm going to top. Okay, this is the page, right? This is the page, this is the page. So now I'm going to top 10. Okay, just right click here. Now go to edit filter. Now here I'm going to user, just top, select that. See, in the top I'm going to apply here below the create new parameter. So ఇక్కడ కూడా parameter create చేసుకుని you can go to, you can apply here. ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో నేను డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇక్కడ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ పారామీటర్ క్రియేట్ చేసి దాన్ని ఇక్కడ మనం సరే. ఓకే, అగైన్ ఒకసారి దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్రియేట్ పారామీటర్. ఓకే, సింపుల్ క్రియేట్ పారామీటర్. The parameter name is top end. Okay, now I'm going to apply. So integer, so just apply. Okay, so top end will created, right? Now here I'm going to here, edit filter. Now I'm going to user top and I'm selecting top end. Already I created parameter. Okay, that's the point. It will display the top end parameter right here. Or else you can create the new parameter here also. Okay, suppose here I'm going to apply. Already top, I create top, right? Now I'm going to bottom. I'm selecting bottom. Here I'm creating parameter. Okay, the parameter name is bottom. Yeah. Okay, so like this, no need to change anything. Okay, already integer is there, current something is there. Okay, apply. Okay, now see, bottom top రెండు వచ్చి display అవుతుంది, right? Okay, now just show parameter. Now it will display the bottom end. Okay, I want to display here 20, it will display 24, it will display 30, 40, whatever it is. Okay, I want display the only follow. I want to display the only 4. See here we have to change the filter type here. Okay, click here. So it will display the different type. Type in. Okay, just keep the type in. Now we can enter the 2. Enter. Okay. Now we have to enter the 10. 10 or 50. 10, right? Enter. So it will display the top, bottom, and okay. Now again top and show filter. So filter. Okay. So filter. Now I'm going to. So it will not display the here. So both we can apply in this. Okay. Now I'm going to here. Now I'm going to here top. Now I'm going to here 5 here. 5s. Now it is not affected to the sheet. Okay, because we are going to a separate sheet. That's the body. Now suppose here I'm going to here bottom 10 here. Okay. Here this. Okay. Now this is the value. Okay. Now I'm going to click here. So parameter. It will display the top 20, top in whatever. But so మనం ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేసాం కాబట్టి the sheet belongs to top and bottom 10 here. So ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేస్తే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. So నేను ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేశాను కాబట్టి it will display all this. Okay. So suppose for example, again I'm creating one sheet. You can understand what I'm saying here. So customer name, okay, profit, okay, profit. I'm going to profit text here. Keep the descending order, okay, and I want to display the label, okay. I want to display the color, okay. I want to display the filter cell. Drag and drop the filter, right? Now I'm going to user by selecting top. Now I'm going to here. So here I'm typing the. Okay, here I'm going to create parameter. That name is profit something. Okay, profit top n. Okay, top n. Apply. Okay. The profit top n created parameter. Now hide the code. Now show filter. Okay, show parameter. Now right click here. Now I'm going to type in. Okay. Now I'm going to type that 20. It will display 20. Now it will display the 30. This is the parameters. Okay. So what is the parameters? Parameter means manually we can dynamically we can apply we can create the values based on the client requirement. Okay. So this is the value. Again, we want to do index. You can apply the index here. Okay. Index. Okay, index. Now it will display the top 30, right? Top 1 to 30. Okay. So again, I'm going to here. Here I'm going to. So customer name. Okay. I'm taking here. I'm taking quantity here. Now I'm going to keep the descending order. Okay. And label it. Okay. Drag and drop into the colors. Remove this one. Okay. Now I'm going to customer name into the filter cell. Okay, user top. Now I'm going to apply bottom. Okay, bottom. Create parameter. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to here bottom n. Okay. Apply bottom 10. Apply. Okay. bn. Okay. bn. Apply. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to bn. So parameter. So this is the values. Now I'm going to type in. Okay. Here you can type in the 20. Okay. So whatever it is. Okay. Based on your requirement, you can apply this one. So again, you have to index keep into the. So index. So now right click here. This is the value. Now we can apply the 30, right? 30. Here I'm going to apply 50. So 50. It will display the 50 values. 1 to 50 values. So this is about the parameter. Okay. This is the button. So any doubt in this? So మనం ఈరోజు కంప్లీట్ చేసింది ఏంటంటే first one count to quantity, right? Count to quantity. First question. Okay. Second one is set. Okay, sets based on Okay, based on top n and bottom. And third one is parameter. So parameter. Okay, parameter based on top end and bottom end. And fourth one is index. Okay, index. Index means it will display the row wise number. Okay, row wise number. Okay, number. So count means count the values. Okay, count the values. How many values are present in the field? How many? Okay, here quantity means so number of units. Okay, how many number of units? Okay, unique values. Okay, so this is the today our topic. Regarding any doubt in this? Krishnaraj garu, Anand garu, Dolly garu just where మీరు ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఆన్లో పెట్టి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నట్టున్నారు. సో మీరు అవైలబుల్ గా ఉండాలి. నన్ను మిమ్మల్ని పిలిచాను బట్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ దిస్. And Prasant, Krishnaraj, I have any doubt in this?
No doubt.
Yes, okay, good. So tomorrow you don't have class. I'm going to Vijayawada. So రేపు ఎల్లుండి అవైలబుల్ గా ఉన్నాం. విజయవాడ వెళ్తున్నాం. So again we are meeting Monday morning connected. Okay. So before 2 days మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు ట్రిక్కీగా ఉన్నాయి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి నాకు పంపించండి. So then I will try to prepare that one and I will explain all the questions.
భీమవరం వస్తున్నావా?
భీమవరం రాను, జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ విజయవాడ వరకు వెళ్తాను.
ఓకే. సరే. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Okay.
జర్నీ.
Okay, bye friends. We will continue Monday on class. Okay. Before the days, you have to prepare the some entry questions. So in tricky ఉన్నాయి కొంచెం ప్రిపేర్ చేసి నాకు ముందే పెడితే నేను ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకుని నేను ఏమైనా ట్రై చేసి మీకు చెప్పగలుగుతాను. ఓకేనా? చాలా పోస్ట్ బివాచంగా ఉన్నాయి, లేవని మాత్రం అసలు అనొద్దు. కానీ మీకు కాల్స్ రావడం మరి ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు అది థింక్ చేయండి. నెంబర్ మార్చండి, మెయిల్ ఐడి మార్చండి. ఇంకో ఉద్యోగం కోసం ఒక కొత్త నెంబర్ తీసుకోండి, మెయిల్ ఐడి మార్చండి, దాన్ని అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ అప్లై చేయండి.